doing? I hope everyone is doing amazing. In case you're new here or you don't know me, I'm Crescent Philly, and I like calling you Crescents or Cresses because why not? And don't get confused, that's the same thing. Like crescents or cresses is the same thing, okay? So today we are just taking care of ourselves, guys, because we have a lot to do. Let me show you what we are dealing with. My eyebrows. Oh shit! I haven't touched them for 2 weeks, but they have outgrown. Yeah, and my nails. So let me show you the hair. Let me show you the hair, guys. Bruh. Embarrassing. But you know what? I like keeping it real because everyone has their own hair days. Everyone has their own days that they're not feeling like doing anything and they are looking crazy. This is my day. Period.
Like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah.
Hey crescents, I did my blow dry. Imagine this is full blow dry and my hair is getting tangled. It's the second day, like this is the second day and my hair is getting tangled. I don't know what to do to my hair to make it more softer because dealing with this is crazy. Anyway, I'm waiting for a lady that's coming to do my hair. Yeah, at least we get this out of the way because natural hair is stressful. So guys, I went on and did my nails. I showed you guys. I did plain gel. I did simple gel because I wanted to give my nails a break. Now, it's not even a week and
oh my god, bro.
Oh hell no, man. What the fuck?
they are already chipping. Too bad. Like, yeah. So this is before of my hair. For the curls, this is the hair that we have used. It's not painful at all. Like, she just left like 2 minutes ago and this hair is not painful at all. I love it. For the first time, and I can flip them like this, that tells you it's not painful at all.
Say it louder, feel the moment, feel the power, bring the animal back to life, bring the energy one more time, if you feel like letting go, you can take control, you can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, feel the moment, feel the power, bring the animal back to life, bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time.
I'm in love with this bag. I just got it from 7 Sunday, you guys. This is part of my birthday gifts to myself. This one I got it around April. I love it so much. And now today I went on and picked up this one.
To something beautiful where you feel
got back, I was going to pick up this parcel. It's a head mount, and I got this hairspray. It's the olive hairspray with the black castor oil. I just picked it up because it has castor oil. And what else? And I got this gel wax from Best Lady. I hope this works with my edges. My edges cannot lay down. Look at that. I just got back. They are already misbehaving. I hope this works with my... Oh, it's really hard. It's like what? It's like dreadlocks wax. The consistency is like that. Yeah, those are the things that I was going to get, and this was my fit with the new slides. Yeah.
Cause there ain't no way. Feel like taking over. Cause there ain't no way. I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. Ooh, they said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you.
This hair is going to be 4 weeks old. 4 weeks old on Wednesday, and today is Monday. So the way I've been maintaining these curls is I've been using this olive hairspray, and also I've been using coconut oil.
Down, 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 gets you down,